Addressing the European Parliament's Committee on International Trade, Malmstrom proposed moving toward the setup of an investment court that would take cases arising from the EU's many free trade accords. The move is seen as a step aimed at overcoming growing public resistance to a free trade accord with the US.
This improved system would move away from individual ad hoc cases to become much more like traditional courts, and it sets out clearly that our goal is a permanent international investment court. That, however, will take some time, so we will already make a shift in our bilateral deals, starting with TTIP, but this is the aim that they will go for all future agreements.
A recent European Commission study found that the EU-US accord could generate $100 billion a year in additional economic output on both sides of the Atlantic.
First, we propose to remove any ambiguity about sovereign governments' right to regulate and putting that black and white very clearly. In the past, agreements have been drafting more with the protection of investment in mind than the right of governments to regulate to protect their citizens, and it will no longer be the case. Second, we address fears that an unhealthy link between arbitrators and the parties to a dispute.
Anti-globalization and green groups, as well as some EU governments, fear US multinationals will use the investor-to-state dispute settlement mechanism. Malmstrom will present a proposal to EU trade ministers today.